In this video, I'll show you how to check if you're eligible for Pengu Airdrop. To get started, go ahead and head over to claim.pudgypenguins.com. So this is their official claiming website. And here, what you can do is to either link your ETH wallet or your Sol wallet. So go ahead and link your wallet by clicking on the button of your preference. Now, if you're going to link your Solana wallet, you can do that using your Coinbase wallet, Phantom wallet, Software wallet, Trust wallet, Havana wallet, or Trezor wallet. Simply select the wallet of your preference. Now, after you have connected your wallet into this section, you'll be able to find the result if you are eligible to claim Pengu for your account on Pudgy Penguins. And that's basically how you can check if you're eligible for Pengu Airdrop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.